Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of our Jacksonville tour. Now we are in the St Andrew area and we're driving through one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica and the number 2 neighborhood in the Kingston and St Andrew area. This is Jacksonville. Now Jacksonville is off Barbican Road. It's right above the Barbican area and it also joins the Cherry Gardens area. And Cherry Gardens is the number 1 neighborhood in the Kingston and St Andrew area. Okay, so this is there are 2 sides to Jacksonville. When you're coming up Jacksonville Road, if you turn left, you have some houses, and if you turn right, you also have some houses. So these are the houses on the right. Now what makes them different is the area on the right of Jacksonville Road when going up from Barbican. You're allowed to build townhouses or apartments on this side. On the left side, you're not allowed to. Basically, that's the only difference. So in part 2, we took a tour of River Ridge, which is a complex that has hundreds of homes in it. Townhouses, basically. And as we drive on this road now, you're going to see a few more complexes. Okay, so on the left and the right now, you're going to see some townhouse complexes. So that's the only difference between the 2 sides of Jacksonville. Alright, so straight ahead is the Jacksonville Road. If we turn left, we'll go down to Barbican, but we're going to turn right and take look at some more of the homes. And we're going to stay on the right side of the road. Okay, so this is the road we're talking about. On the left, that's the side where you cannot build apartments or townhouses. I think it's, like I say, a single family dwelling. Just one structure, you can't have apartments. But on the right, the restrictions are different. You can build townhouses or apartments on the right hand side. So if we were to continue all the way up this road, we would basically drive over Jacksonville and enter the Cherry Gardens area. And you would think, being one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica, and these homes sell for over $1 million US, depending on the condition, you would have better roads than this. But no. Look at the state of the road. On the left is another gated community. So there's another one on the right as well. Alright, so this will just give you an idea of what the neighborhood looks like on this side. As you can see, it's a very nice neighborhood. And if you notice, there are probably just one or two empty lots. Everywhere is developed, especially on this side, because you can build townhouses on this side. Now that's a very weird restriction to have, where one side of the neighborhood you can build townhouses, on the other side you can't. But perhaps that's why this area is one, so expensive to live, and two, it's one of the top neighborhoods, so it works. Alright, we're just going to take another quick tour on the left hand side. Part 1, we did the houses on the right, a tour of the right. Part 2, we looked at River Ridge and some other Farrington estates, some of the other areas. And part 3, we're just doing the top part of Jacksonville now. So if you want to see more videos on Jacksonville, you can search the channel. We have part 1 and 2. This is part 3. Alright, this is a Short Ridge area, or Short Ridge Crescent, Short Ridge Avenue. And we're heading back now to the main road, which is the Jacksonville Road. We're going to head back down Jacksonville towards the Barbican area. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Remember to check out the other 2 videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.